Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was sitting in the congregation. One among them started to criticize Abu Bakr, the companion of Prophet. He criticized him continuously. The Prophet was delighted to see Abu Bakr, for their patience and silence. That guy still yelling at him. At last, Abu Bakr losing his temper, and answered some of his words. The Prophet was so angry that they got up from there. Then Abu Bakr followed the Prophet and said to him, Ya Rasulallah, you sat down until he shouted at me. Then, when I started to answer some of his words, why did you get upset and go out? The Prophet answered, as long as you were silent and patient, you were with an angel, who was responding on your behalf. Then, when you start to answer some of his words, the angel has gone away, the devil has come, and I do not sit with Shaiytan, so I came out. Allah said in the Quran, and tell my servants to say that which is best. Indeed, Shaiytan induces among them. Indeed, Shaiytan is ever, to mankind, a clear enemy. If a man does not control his tongue, it will trap in the hands of Shaiytan. If one entrusts his tongue to Shaiytan, he will swap and change the directions he wants. As a result, the sins and misery will occur, which belongs to that man only.